I am so excited because your girl just got her new Freestyle Flex in the mail. Okay, I got this pump through my insurance, and I am so excited because I am the working mom. I am an entrepreneur on the side. I am busy. I'm trying to get my PHR certification for human resources, and I'm just busy, and I don't have time to be attached to the wall with the adapter in the older pumps. Okay, and I just bought the Sonata and I love it, but you can't like use it for a long time. So without the adapter, it's electronic, it Bluetooth to your phone, but this does the same thing on the go, doesn't have to be charged up. And y'all, I got it in the mail. I had to come home on my lunch break to unbox this pump for y'all. If you have any questions about the Medela Freestyle Flex, let me know. Mind you, I've just unboxed it, so like I know probably about as much as you, but I'm super excited about this pump, and I'm gonna do a review on this pump for the working moms, just to let you know if you want to invest in it, you know, I'll do a review for y'all because I love y'all that much. So leave your comments in the comment box. Let me know if you want to know more about this pump or about the other pumps that I have used, because I have used the Symphony, the Sonata, and what's the older pump that you get from in the bag? I don't know what that one's called, but I've used that one. So I'm a Medela fan. I've only used Medela. I don't plan to use another brand because, I mean, if Medela keeps coming out with stuff like this, she's gonna use that. That's it. Anyway, I have to go back to work, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments in the comment box, and I will talk to y'all soon. Thank you for watching. Bye. I am so excited. I got my new Medela Freestyle Flex, which is so crazy because I was supposed to get the regular Freestyle, but they were out of stock, so they sent me the Flex. Anyway, I wanted to do this unboxing video, so here we go. If I can. Look how nice it is. This is the manual it comes with. Then you get the 24-hour lactation support. Don't take my code, thanks. A warranty. And I am so excited. Look how nice it is. Can I get it open? Okay, there you go. So I really wanted this a portable pump because I'm of course a working mom, and let's be honest, like I don't want to be attached to the wall with the adapters. So that's the actual pump, the portable pump. And let's see what it comes with. Ah, how cool. So it comes with the nursing pads that you absolutely need, and the cooler pack. So I already have some of these. I have two actually, two cooling packs. So I'm so excited to have some more, and more bottles to pump in. Hello, who doesn't need that? And the actual cooler. And these bottles are a little different. The tops are, which is nice because I have the old Medela and I have the Medela Sonata. So you guys let me know if you want me to do a review on the Sonata too. So, and then it comes with the cups that you use to put on your breast, and then the actual pump part, and that's the cord that goes with it, which, okay. You get a new bag. Oh my gosh, how nice. It's so spacious. And I get to put, I can probably put my cooler in here, everything. I love it. I'm so happy about it. These are the bottle stands. I actually never use these, so if anyone loves these or absolutely wants them, just let me know and I will ship them to you. I have quite a few that I do not use. And then, what is this? The charger. Oh, how cool is it that I can charge this in my car? I am in love, y'all. I am in love. And they sent a whole adapter piece. I love it. You guys, I came home on my lunch break to do this for you. I am so excited about this Freestyle Flex, you guys. I cannot wait to use it. It's not charged yet. It is. Oh my God. It's charged up. You guys, this is how it looks on. And that's where you put the charger. And you can, oh, maybe that's where you put the charger. Anyway, you can use this anytime, anywhere, in the car, on the way back to work. That's where I'm about to use it.